If you can't export your video, these are three main reasons you have to be conscious of. So let's start. First of all, if you are in the free plan, make sure you don't have any pro element. Like for example, you can see this pro element, you can't use it if you are in the free plan. You can only be limited to these free ones. If you use this, you can use this element here, but when you try to export it, as you can see, it will tell you are using a pro feature, so you have to remove it. This might be the first reason. The second reason, you go to menu and then go to settings, go to performance, and you see right there speed up hardware encoding. This might be the reason you can't export the video, so you can uncheck it and then click save. The third reason, go to menu, go to settings again. You can see the cache don't delete is checked. So this may be the third reason you can't export the video. You have a lot of storage of cache that the export is stuck. So what you're gonna do here is select auto delete cache after a certain period of time. You choose it and you can delete cache from here. You can see cache size and then click delete. You have to close the project. And that's it. If your problem is not solved yet, please let me know in the comments what is the error popping so I can help you more. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.